Street lighting. It's one of those services that most people don't really notice until the lights stop working. But councils have to pay attention to it to keep their residents safe and secure. And they also have to be aware of the costs of maintaining lights when they suffer degradation or replacing them when they fail. Typically, that's been twice in the fitting's lifetime, and sometimes more, even with conventional LEDs. But a pioneering British company, Indo Lighting, has been changing that.
Back in 2007 when we started, our customers were generally dealing with increasing energy prices and a lot of pressures to cut their budgets. Our technology was launched to help reduce their maintenance costs and improve their energy efficiency.
We came up with a technology that we've called direct drive, and direct drive is a technology which removes any wear-out components from the product design. The technology itself has been installed by local authorities since 2011. We've over 100,000 lighting points using direct drive technology, so it really is a proven technology.
One of the areas where it's been proven is here in the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea, where Indo has worked with the council for more than 10 years to develop a lighting solution tailored specifically to their needs.
We're very fortunate in our street furniture is of good quality and a high standard, so what we didn't want to do was to replace something that didn't need replacing. Indo actually provided us with a gear tray, which meant that we could actually replace the innards of a lamp and put a new gear tray in, which meant we could maintain our existing street furniture, and actually was a very quick and easy way for our contractors to replace the lamps with LEDs very quickly. We've probably got 1,800 LED Indo units out on the streets, and we're working our way across the borough. There were concerns in the early days of LEDs that it was going to be too bright and it was too glary. But people didn't even know we'd replace them, which I think was the best compliment that we could have.
What Indo had done is provide a product that offers the energy savings from LED, but also not requiring replacement year on year, 25 years of light without having to do any maintenance on it. So it was fantastic. So the councils were overwhelmed with the energy savings and couldn't really believe the paybacks until you put it down on paper for them. It really was a no-brainer from energy and maintenance savings.
Indo has been very much a dynamic company, a British company. We've really sort of developed together to get a product that the Royal Borough is happy with. And if we can save energy and maintenance costs, then that's a great way forward.
Success stories like this have helped Indo achieve remarkable growth. They've raised production more than fourfold in the last 2 years and boosted their workforce tenfold to meet the ever-increasing demand.
We're manufacturing about 95% of everything that the company sells here in Southampton. So that's the LED street lights and also the lamps which are used in things like bollards, 30-mile-an-hour street signs. We've gone from 2 years ago, roughly 100 units a week, up to about 800, 850 a week. So it's quite a big growth. And on top of that, somewhere between 300 and it can be as much as 1,000 of the smaller lamps every week. So yeah, pretty much everything is manufactured here, which is great, made in UK.
I'm really excited about where we're going. We've got a really great team behind us. We've got a great number of products that we're developing and new markets and technologies that we're looking to exploit. We've identified rail as being a really exciting market and a really good application for the direct drive technology. Mainline trains, metro trains, underground, so on.
Indo's innovative approach has already earned them a Queen's Award, and they're continuing to push the boundaries. They've developed lighting with high lumen output for motorways, and they're well advanced in projects and trials for the horticulture market, where customers raising high-value crops in glasshouses can benefit greatly from direct drive's ability to operate efficiently over long periods in high temperatures.
The Indo journey has been a whirlwind of a journey, but it's been a pleasure. Business has been performing very well over the last few years. We've doubled turnover in the last 12 months. The growth is down to the effort and the passion that is behind the team. We see that come through in the products that we develop, and that in turn enables our success.